Namaskar. A warm welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel CA Sansar. Myself CA Vivek Khurana, and now it's the time for bank branch audit. So today we will discuss regarding the communication to the previous auditor in case of bank branch audit. So before going to start, my request to all of you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel CA Sansar and also press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new video, you will get it notified. So I have received many messages or the phone calls whether NOC required from the previous auditor or only communication or कोई जरूरत भी है communicate to previous auditor in case of bank audit and what's the new mode. इसके ऊपर हमने एक डिटेल्ड में वीडियो बनाया हुआ है, communication from and communication to the previous auditor. You can check it out on the CA Sansar YouTube channel. आप उसको देख सकते हैं. But in case of bank audit, bank branch audit, so whether it's required or not to communicate to the previous auditor. So if you see clause 8 of part 1 of first schedule to the Chartered Accountant Act 1949, it says a chartered accountant in practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he accepts a position as auditor previously held by another chartered accountant without first communicating with him in writing. So कोई भी audit अगर आप accept कर रहे हैं which was conducted by another chartered accountant, so you have to communicate, आपको written communication देना है to the previous auditor. So whether it's also required in case of bank audit, so ICAI ने already clarify कर रखा है कि communication required for bank audit, statutory bank audit by the nationalized bank or the other bank. So ICAI clarified, yes, clause 8 of part 1 of the first schedule of the Chartered Accountant Act is equally applicable in case of nationalized and other bank and also for the government agencies. So ये नहीं है कि आपको बैंक ब्रांच ऑडिट में प्रीवियस ऑडिटर को कम्युनिकेट नहीं करना है. Yes, you have to communicate as per clause 8 of part 1 of first schedule of the Chartered Accountant Act 1949. So you have to communicate in writing. So one thing is clear कि आपको कोई NOC नहीं लेना है, आपको प्रीवियस ऑडिटर से कुछ NOC नहीं लेना है, only written communication is there. Now कब आपने communicate करना है? So communication is before accepting the audit and not before signing the report. But yes, in case of bank audit, at the time of accepting the audit, we are not aware who was the previous auditor. तो आप क्योंकि आपके पास टाइम भी बहुत कम होते हैं, so first you can accept it or you can also write it out. Our acceptance is subject to the communication to the previous auditor, his remarks. So आप acceptance के बाद before starting the audit, you can ask from the bank who was the previous auditor, कौन थे previous auditor आपके. You have to communicate. आपको previous auditor को communicate करना है and you must have the proof. आप सिर्फ ये नहीं कह सकते कि मैंने लेटर भेज दिया है, उनको मिला है या नहीं. No. And what's the mode of communication? कौन सा mode of communication है? So as per council direction, first either you can do it communication by a letter sent through registered acknowledgement due. आप registered AD के थ्रू भेज सकते हैं और by hand, आप by hand written acknowledgement के थ्रू भेज सकते हैं. और one new mode is there. This is through the email. जो last year start किया है through the email. आप email के थ्रू भी written communication to the previous year you can send it out. Acknowledgement of the communication from retiring auditors. White email address registered with the institute or his last known official email address. So जब आप बैंक मैनेजर को फोन करेंगे, यू कैन आस्क हु वाज द प्रीवियस ऑडिटर. आप उनका नंबर ले सकते हो, उनसे ईमेल आईडी ले सकते हो एंड यू कैन सेंड द कम्युनिकेशन. आपको एनओसी नहीं लेना. अगेन आई एम सेइंग रिटन कम्युनिकेशन टू द प्रीवियस ऑडिटर एंड you can ask them to reply in a sufficient time. See, क्लोज में कोई सफिशिएंट टाइम नहीं है, एंड इन केस ऑफ बैंक ब्रांच ऑडिट आपको इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है, तो यू कैन से यू प्लीज रिप्लाई विद इन द sufficient time. And because sufficient time इस केस में कुछ डिफाइन नहीं किया हुआ है, तो मेल के थ्रू आप उनको कॉल कर सकते हैं कि वी आर अपॉइंटेड एज ऑडिटर ऑफ दिस ब्रांच, आपने ऑडिट किया है तो आपको कोई अगर ऑब्जेक्शन है यू कैन राइट इट आउट। बट इन केस ऑफ बैंक ऑडिट आई डोंट थिंक सो, क्योंकि कंपनीज के केसेस में इट कैन बी हैपन कोई फीस पेंडिंग है, बट बैंक ऑडिट में आई डोंट थिंक सो एनी फीस इज पेंडिंग या कोई क्वालिफाइड रिपोर्ट या सम अदर क्लोजेस आर देयर, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता। बट यस, written communication is the mandatory clause even in case of bank branch statutory audit. So before start